Hello Year 8, here's another video to help with your work for this week. So this week you've got two lessons, two tasks. The first one is this chapter 12, My Review, just to recap the work you've done so far, and the next one is going to be your topic test on Caboodle. I'll talk you through that at the end of this lesson, but let's go through your review first of all. Okay. So in your 2A textbook, if you find page 235, you've got this My Review task. If you haven't got that in front of you already, have a second just to find that now. Now you're also going to need a protractor and you're going to need a ruler as well. Okay. Now, I'm going to go through just one of these questions because they're all a bit of revision. First questions are just thinking about some accurate drawing, so be careful. Trying to focus a bit more there. No difference whatsoever, sorry. So be really careful with your measurements for these ones, with your protractor and your ruler. Again, these are just some accurate diagrams. If you find them tricky, don't forget all the help is here on these different projectors. If you click on one of those, there's a video to help. Now, this number 5, if we were using our textbooks at school, that would be printed to the right scale. Because you're using a computer screen and I'm using a print off, we're actually going to leave question 5 because the scale of our printing and the scale of your textbook on your computer is going to be different. Okay. Now, that means that we've not practiced scale drawing, but luckily this last question, number 6, is all about scale drawing. Okay. So it tells us we've got a town or 3 towns, A, B and C, and they're positioned as shown in the diagram. I know you can't really see on this screen, so I'm going to say that one is A, this one is B, and that one is C. Okay. Now it tells us that this bit here is 5 kilometres, and it tells us here this part is 17 kilometres. And we're going to draw a scale drawing. Okay. So I'll see if I can get it to fit in here. Could be ambitious. I'll move it down slightly. Okay. Okay. So in our question, it tells us our scale is going to be 1 centimetre on our diagram. It's going to be 17 kilometres. No, it's not. I've got that wrong already. 1 centimetre is going to be 1 kilometre in real life. Okay. And if I just do a little sketch of our triangle down here, told us this part here is going to be 5 kilometres in real life, and that's going to be 17 kilometres in real life. So if I want to know how high to draw this, if I want to know how many centimetres I would draw for 5 kilometres, just have a second just to think how many centimetres are we going to draw there. Okay, so hopefully we're thinking 5 centimetres. Same again, we're going to draw this 17 kilometres. So on our diagram, just have a think, how many centimetres are we going to draw there? Are we happy at 17? Okay. So now we're just going to draw our diagram. So I'll move this a bit more. It's got to be 5 centimetres high and 17 across. So again, my rule is in millimetres. So 5 centimetres I know is 50 millimetres. There we go. And I'll label it. That's meant to show us 5 kilometres. I've drawn 5 centimetres. 90-degree angle, let's go across 17, or just about fits on. It's a big one. And I've drawn it 17 centimetres. Okay, I might put my right angle in there. Now, the way we're going to check this is to measure the real life distance of the town A from town B. Remember we said that was A, that was B, and that was C. Okay, pause the video. You measure your length there and I'll measure mine, and we'll see if we agree. Okay, so if we just join up A and B, and if we measure really carefully, so I get that's going to be, let me see, 17.6 centimetres. Is yours close? It could probably be about 2 millimetres higher or lower for that one. If I'm saying on my scale drawing that's 17.6 centimetres, just have a think how many kilometres that would be. So hopefully that's going to be 17.6 kilometres. Okay, now the rest of those questions, give those a go. If you're not sure, don't forget you've got these projectors here that are going to help you with the video. Now for your next lesson, you need to go into Caboodle and you'll see 2 tests, one formative, one summative. Try the formative one first, as a bit of practice, and you get some feedback after each question. Then go on to the summative one. Once you've done the summative one, as soon as you finish that test, the scores come straight to me and I'll give you some feedback in the positives on class charts. Okay, any questions at all, just send me an email. Hope you're all okay, and we'll do another video for next week. Bye.